In this video, we will talk about Content Hub related groups, roles, and permissions. As we discussed earlier, there are different roles available that can access the Content Hub. So based on those personas, your roles could be different. For example, if we are talking about admin, you need to provide all the privileges to the admin user. When we are talking about any agency or team who can work to upload the asset and can play on the metadata, then you can provide a different level of access. And for other partners, vendors, or any different marketing team, you can provide just read only access. So that is how we can design all the roles in order to play around on the Content Hub. Let's quickly check how that will be visible on the screen. This is my screen of the Content Hub that we already discussed, but this is not the screen from where we can provide the access. Access is always available through admin console, the way we provide the access to other cloud environment products. So what we need to do from the product switcher, that that nine icon, that nine dots that you can see on your top right, click on that, go to the admin console. Once you click on the admin console screen will be available for you. In this admin console, go to the product tab. In the product tab, you need to go in your relative instance. For example, when I'm talking about you are working on asset as a cloud service, or might be you are having assets and sites, so you click on that cloud service environment, search for your environment. For example, if you are working on or any instance which is enabled with the Content Hub, just search for the Content Hub. Environment option will be available that you can see. Generally it is connected with the product instance, so make sure product Content Hub is visible on your instance. Just go inside the product. In the product, you can see the user and admin tabs as well. So what you need to do, go to the user tab and just add your user the way that you were adding or providing the access to other cloud products. Same way you can provide the access to your Content Hub. So in the user, if you add a user, it will give you a new, or it will ask you to to provide a new user or to add a new user in the same product. You just need to add that email ID, or if that is available through your domain or through your unique name, you can find out the user. Once you click the user, it will be available and added in the product. But if you want to provide admin level of access on the Content Hub, as we discussed, admin will have certain different uh, access like configurations or to play other things in order to do some changes. So if you have some requirement, then you can add any user in the admin tab. So that user will work as a admin user. So this is how you can assign the permission. And once you adding the user, after that, when we are talking about who can upload the asset, so asset will be uploaded by only the users who will have the access on both the instances. The first instance is Content Hub, another one is asset as a cloud on the cloud service environment. It will be available on the Content Hub. So what we need to do in that case, we need to again search in the product and make sure your product, you are getting the access on your product, on the product instance. For example, when I'm talking about, you need to, let me search quickly. So I'm searching something to pull out my right result of the product. And once you get the product details, as you can see, these two products are available for me, where one is talking about production author and the another one is talking about production content hub. So make sure both the instances are are there with the user, so they can upload the asset and those assets will be available on the content hub. So that is all on the user level of permissioning, but the granular, or you can say the deep level of permissions, you need to provide at the AEM instance, where you need to take a decision which type of activity any user can perform. It could be read, delete, or update kind of operation that they can perform. But from the admin console, this is how you can align the roles on a product. Thank you.